Ready? Hi everybody! Looks like I am having a good hair day here.
But what are we shooting for today?
Looking and cooking.
But I'm not in the kitchen, right?
It's the Motherhood Chronicles!
Boo.
We're shooting for...
Oh yeah, you forgot what we're shooting for, right?
No.
Is it that day of the month? I think so.
That right here.
What that,
See?
that?
Did you guys hear? He said,
Yeah.
is it that day of the month?
This is the part I hate most! Anyway, so,
Hi everybody, I am Nisha.
And I'm Karan.
Welcome to
Sunday
Tube.
Tube.
Well, today,
now that this man has ticked off the wrong nerve or stepped on the wrong foot,
let us do this topic called
let's see how well boys know about girls' periods, about girls' periods, about girls' periods.
वैसे भी you guys have seen हमारा वो video on Instagram that was never supposed to be posted, and there are boys who think about girls' periods, and then there is
Karan Mehra,
who has a completely different definition of periods. Enlighten us. Let's go with it. Let them
So
know.
it only applies to Nisha that इतने सालों में जितने भी मतलब हम लोग साथ में रहे हैं या मैंने देखा है निशा को ड्यूरिंग दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, तो मैंने उसका एक लाइटर वे में एक चीज़, एक डायग्नोसिस बनाया जहाँ पर मुझे निशा नॉर्मल एक महीने में सिर्फ 2 दिन मिलती है.
वाह 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 वाह. एक और बार सिर्फ 2 दिन.
सिर्फ
Mark
वो
this
2
point.
दिनों के लिए मैंने इस लड़की से शादी.
excuse me, I'm making mental notes.
इसकी थ्योरी बहुत सिंपल है. एक हफ्ता होता है जब आप पीरियड्स के थ्रू जा रहे होते हैं. एक हफ्ता उससे पहले ऑलरेडी एक एक हफ्ता होता है.
Pre-chums.
जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी शी इज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. सो चम्स वीक तो इज ऑलरेडी देयर.
Chums week.
या पोस्ट चम्स वीक जिसमें ऑलरेडी उसका फॉल आउट भी हो रहा होता है.
Fallout.
3 हफ्ते तो ये आप चम्स में ही चले गए. एक प्री हो गया, एक पोस्ट हो गया, एक हफ्ता तो चम्स था ही.
Correct.
और बाकी जो चौथा हफ्ता बचा उसमें 2-3 दिन तो मूड खराब होता ही है. तो वैसे भी मतलब
4 दिन बचे फिर.
हाँ.
बेसिकली 4 में से वो 1-2 दिन भी निकाल ही लो कि
निकाल लो, 26
तो
days
बेसिकली
निकाल
2
लो,
दिन,
निकाल लो।
हाँ मतलब 28 दिन ही निकाल लो आप.
हाँ।
कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अपना भी मूड शायद एक दिन ठीक ना हो.
मतलब इन 28 दिनों में आपने कभी ऐसा कोई काम गलत नहीं किया होता जिसकी वजह से मुझे गुस्सा आए. But of course, it's because of the periods, right?
I think so, yeah.
You're so amazing. You're not blaming me.
You're not blaming yourself,
I'm
but
not
you're blaming
blaming
the
you. No,
hormones.
no. You're
All
not.
right.
Well, it's just the chums, Baba, it's just all of it, baby.
Ulu milu bilu.
Let's actually begin with the men's theory.
हमने ये तो सुन ही लिया कि मिस्टर मेहरा की क्या टेक है और जो हमारी एनलाइटनमेंट उन्होंने की है अबाउट गर्ल्स पीरियड्स, राइट? That's going to go down in the history because I'm sure when Kavish grows up, he will hear what amazing things you had to contribute in the matter of periods.
I have a list of questions that I'm going to ask you.
अब देखते हैं कि आपको असली कितना पता है कि गर्ल्स के पीरियड्स में होता क्या है.
Let's start with what is a period?
What is a period? Basically, it is that time of the month where a woman actually is going through. Should I explain what is actually a period? Or
Your
what is
take.
chumming?
Exactly.
When did you ever ask me about doing anything?
Periods एक ऐसा process है.
एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है.
Once in a month, the woman's body goes through wherein the eggs are shed out, fact that they couldn't fertilize.
And I think
So that's why they are, kind of falling out
it
They're
is
falling
shedding,
out. Okay.
in the sense that they are coming out.
because they
Like mangoes fall from the tree?
No, not at all. एक लड़की पैदा होती है, so उनके ऑलरेडी करीबन 1 बिलियन एग्स होते हैं जो कि हर महीने फिर because if they don't get fertilized, they are shed from the body.
And also when they are being shed.
कमाल कर दी तब तस्वीर तो.
अच्छा रुको ना.
जब shed होते हैं, so then they take away the inner lining of the uterus.
क्या बात है.
क्या है सही तो है. क्या गलत तो नहीं है. कितने लोगों को पता नहीं होता ये सब
Did you read my document on my laptop before
No, I
doing
haven't
this?
read.
हम लोगों ने कितनी बार बात की है, so उससे मुझे पता ही है कि exactly प्रोसेस क्या होता है.
लड़की की बॉडी भी कैसी है, किसी को हैवी फ्लो होता है, किसी को लाइटर होता
तुम्हें
है.
बहुत सब लड़कियों की बॉडीज के बारे में और उनके पीरियड्स के बारे में पता है. Let me cut you there and move on to our next question, but well done. See, that's what happens when you get married to a girl who's completely making sure that every month she's not only PMSing and throwing around her tantrums and moods, but also scientifically explaining exactly what is happening inside her body and how many eggs she's born with and how many she releases every month and what exactly happens.
Now
But
you know
Mr.
what I
Mehra,
do. Thank you.
Slow claps for you.
Yeah.
Don't look.
look
Okay,
outside, look
sorry.
away.
What is the full form of PMS?
PMS. post menstrual cycle. S na? Post menstrual.
S is for syndrome.
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, I don't know.
Menstrual का M भी right है.
Menstrual. Post menstrual
तो
syndrome.
मुझे बोल रहे होते हो कि यू आर
PMS
PMS से, तो मेरे पीरियड्स के बाद बोलते हो क्या? PMS में से M और
It
S
is
पे सही है.
post.
I know it is.
So it's
basically-
not post, it's pre.
Yeah, it's actually.
Premenstrual
Yeah.
syndrome.
Oh, sorry. It's
Yeah,
premenstrual
that's what I
system. Sorry.
Give the spelling of menstruation.
MEN STRUE. Menstruation. Menstruation. So basically, it is MENST.
Sit straight.
What? No.
Now be loud. Project your volume.
Editing में issues होते हैं.
Menstruation.
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 तूने देखा बेटा, तूने देखा.
It's menstruation. Menstruation लोग बोलते हैं.
It's the day 3 of my periods. Okay.
No.
Just FYI.
Oh yeah, it is. अच्छा चलो.
Not.
अच्छा चलो.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is a sanitary napkin? And what is a tampon? And what is a panty liner?
And how many kinds of sanitary napkins are there? Because obviously you're answering the question so well.
Easy for you.
Cheers.
ये
हाँ जी
देखिए.
मिस्टर वेल. वैसे भी तुम मुझसे मिलने से कहीं पहले सीख चुका होगा about periods and menstruation.
नहीं इतना in depth नहीं पता था.
Panty liners. Panty liners are something that is used on a daily basis.
That you could use it. You go into public places and stuff, so it just kind of is a good way to keep yourself hygienic. Then sanitary pads, you said.
So sanitary pads are basically used mostly during the periods.
तुम तो भैया panty liner और दोनों तो सब पता है. तुम्हें तो diaper
अरे यार, हाँ तो पता है ना यार.
यार, साला मुन्ना.
अच्छा हो गया अभी. So basically, then sanitary pads are worn during the periods time to collect the flow and stuff. अभी third क्या था?
Tampons.
इतना बोलती है ना सच्ची मेरे.
So tampons can also be used during the periods
Okay.
in place of the sanitary pad.
But how
It
are they
depends
used?
How are
One
they used?
second.
I can't show
One
you.
second. What is the difference?
What is the difference between?
These two.
What is that?
What is
I don't
this?
know.
Is this a panty liner, sanitary napkin, tampon, or
No, this is a sanitary this thing.
napkin?
This is sanitary pad.
Yeah.
This is the panty liner.
And what is this?
Oh sorry,
Baby
that is a panty liner. And what is this?
You tell me.
Man, what is this, बाबा? ये तो इतना पतला कौन सा हो गया?
Huh?
This is also sanitary then.
Sanitary. Everything is sanitary, baby.
No, ये pad
So
है.
this is
ये
a
तो pad
bigger sanitary napkin.
अच्छा,
This is the smaller
smaller
one. This is
sanitary.
for overnight.
liner. The pad
Correct.
मोटा वाला.
Let's
This is the
open
pad.
it.
Why?
This is the panty liner, sanitary napkin again, which is
This is the
thinner.
bigger.
This is the bigger ones.
Oh, so that's a tampon. No?
So then what is that?
That is also another kind of.
Can you tell me how it's inserted? Just try. Like what happens? Like,
ये ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया कि?
no, you just tell me. See, now there is this tampon, okay,
Correct.
which has 1, 2, and
Yeah,
this
so you
string,
basically-
and there's a cotton thing, and there is this, right? So these are both
Yeah,
tampons.
so this goes directly in, and this is something that you can put and then pull it out.
Matlab
So the
this
entire
goes
thing-
indirectly. It goes through the intestines, you mean?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Explain.
Basically,
Try.
this is a system wherein you can insert it and then you can pull it out. So this thing kind of comes out.
What this is तो क्या है ये?
इसके अंदर आप क्या कुछ भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. You can carry.
Yeah, you
tampons
can carry your
and stuff.
tampon. This is...
Yeah, that's the menstrual cup.
Oh, smart
Menstrual
ass.
cup.
You have been really keeping a close eye on my menstruation.
Yeah, because
so what do you do
we
with
know
this
about
cup? Have juice
You
or
can you
soda?
can you explain this?
So this is
This.
another substitute rather than using a tampon.
Ah.
Basically, it collects the flow,
Correct.
and you're supposed to.
इस आदमी को सब पता है. Most of the times it's about guys not knowing what's happening and it becomes fun. But यहाँ पे इस आदमी को सब कुछ पता है. I mean, what is this? He's the hero of my video.
So this is eco-friendly. It's kind on the nature because obviously this obviously takes a lot many years to degrade in the environment,
It's
and
not
this
environment
is
friendly,
correct. You
so
press it like this. There are two
make a
ways of
C.
using it. You also can insert it like this, or you can insert it like this. So this is also an educational video.
खत्म हो गया.
Hmm?
और भी है.
हाँ जी. How many tampons do we need in a day?
आपका कितना फ्लो है, और अगर आपके पहले के 1.5 दिन बहुत हैवी है या फिर 2 दिन बहुत हैवी है, डिपेंड्स. और किसी का साइकिल 5 दिन का भी हो सकता है, 4 दिन का भी हो सकता है, 7 दिन का भी हो सकता है.
So depending on
इस आदमी ने तो periods में PhD करी हुई है.
5 to 6 in a day. Maybe she uses one in the morning and then at 11 or 3 or.
अब तो तुम ज्यादा ही करे कुछ. तुम कर हद ही कर दे रहे हो यार.
Tampons cause something known as toxic shock syndrome, which is TSS, and therefore sanitary napkins are much safer than tampons. एक साथ कितने sanitary napkins पहनते हैं?
एक साथ?
Like, अगर किसी का flow बहुत heavy हो
तो एक ही पहनेगा ना एक साथ.
Okay.
You just wear a bigger size then.
और एक महीने में कितनी बारी पीरियड्स होते हैं?
Seriously, नॉर्मल लोगों को एक महीने में एक ही बार होते हैं, आपको 3 बार होते हैं.
अच्छा, तो 2 महीने में कितनी बार होते हैं?
2 बार.
देखो 3 भी हो सकता है because the cycle is
अच्छा.
from
Oh, yeah,
24
no,
to
see that,
32
yes,
days.
yes,
Right?
that-
तुम्हारी knowledge
You
तो
guys
बहुत
have all
ज़्यादा
those
है.
apps and stuff
I
also.
heard that you नहीं पता FMC.
Yeah.
क्या बात?
Now you know that I pay so much attention that
You
I know so much.
pay for those menstrual pads. That's how you know.
What does a period feel to a girl?
That the woman can only say.
Woman does the guy, right? I mean,
Yes.
this woman at least does this guy.
I was just coming to that.
Okay.
Because you're already PMSing again.
So आपको पता चल जाता है कि अब गड़बड़ का सीन है.
And also, दर्द इनको कहाँ हो रहा?
होता है. So basically of course the lower body is hurting a lot. आपका बैक में दर्द होता है. फिर आप बोलते हो कि मेरे को
बेटा,
अरे यार
हो जाए.
stop it, and you don't want to be kind of doing anything at that point of time much. So you want to rest and you want to just eat and just not be
That's rude.
disturbed. No, at times you just want to
You want to rest, you don't want to do anything, you want to eat and not be disturbed. And does it like flow because it's called the flow, or does it drip? Like does
yeah,
it
of course
flow?
it drips. It's just the process is called flow. So it's not like you have a tap that's open and it's flowing. It's basically a drip.
Okay, so ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता है कि ज़्यादा रोने से नीचे से जोर से पेन.
नहीं, but
I can't see you at least somewhere.
जैसे सुसु कंट्रोल करते हैं, जैसे you know sometimes we are in
no,
the
you
car.
can't. You mean to say you can control your?
Yeah, can you like control it? Like okay, now I have only like 2 sanitary napkins and
No,
we're
you
traveling
can't. I
to.
don't think so. You can.
Can you have sex during your periods?
Yes.
Are you feeling so?
Yes,
Like
because you
it? Okay.
And it was all super real. Karan does know a lot.
मेरे को actually I sympathize and empathize with you because I've just understood कि मैं आपको कितना torture करती होंगी every month and I must be like throwing this on your face. मुझे periods हुआ. I was born with 1 billion eggs. I am shedding the lining of my uterus now. Oh my God, did you remember it all? I'm so proud. I'll
This
roll
is
it.
what the men go
roll
through.
it, roll it.
This is what the men go through.
Okay, fine. Now no need to be the representative
मैं
of
आप
the
सबकी आवाज़ बनूंगा
entire
एक दिन.
mankind.
गाँव घरों में अभी भी ये प्रथा चलती है, लड़की को पीरियड्स हुए हैं तो उसे अलग रखा जाता है, किचन में नहीं एंटर करने दिया जाता है, एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. So, you know, which was very beautifully shown in the movie Padman. It came out with such a strong message. That's what we would like to give out. It's just a natural process. It signifies that a woman can give birth. The human race can go on and on and on. It is a day to celebrate and not to cut off the girl.
काफ़ी छोटे शहरों में इसे लेकर हर एक की अपनी एक ओपिनियन होती है. लोग मोस्टली सैनिटरी पैड यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. जो औरतें हैं, जब उनको ये प्रॉब्लम होती है महीने की, तो उन्हें घर से बाहर बोल दिया जाता है जाने के लिए. दे आर सपोज टू स्टे आउट ऑफ द हाउस, ईट आउटसाइड द हाउस. कोई उनके पास नहीं जा सकता है. उन्हें एकदम से ऐसे कर दिया जाता है जैसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया, क्या बीमारी हो गई है, दैट यू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम एवरीबडी. सो एक बहुत अजीब सा एक सोशल स्टिग्मा है, एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, जिसे चेंज करना इतना आसान भी नहीं है, लेकिन इसे चेंज करने में बहुत सारे अवेयरनेस चाहिए. हम लोग ऐसे दौर में हैं जहाँ पे ये सुविधा है, लोगों तक अभी तक नहीं पहुँची है. मतलब हमें इतना आसान है और उनके लिए इतना मुश्किल. So let's try and create that awareness, spread the video.
Where we can start from is with our maids. अगर हर कोई अपने maids का ख्याल रखे, educates them, helps them with the process of how to keep themselves hygienic, then it will save them a lot of diseases. And ultimately वो लोग अपने गाँव से connected होते हैं, छोटे छोटे शहरों से connected होते हैं. छोटे छोटे कदम लेकर जब हम ये सोच को बदलने की कोशिश करते हैं तो ये सही जगह तक पहुंच ही जाती है. But thankfully we are in the digital age and it's so simple for us to just make a YouTube video and to reach out to you all and send a very simple message, but a very, very important message. So, happy Sunday to you all!
Yes, happy Sunday.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.